Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a 10-meter cube tank containing nitrogen at a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and 601 kPa. The tank releases some of the gas until the pressure is 401 kPa and the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. So we want to find the difference in mass, or the mass that has escaped. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the change in mass formula. So delta little m is equal to the initial mass minus the final mass. Step 4, find the initial mass formula. We're going to assume this is ideal gas, so PV divided by RT. So P, V, and T are given. R is unknown. So step 5, find the gas constant of nitrogen. You can Google search this or find it at the back of your textbook, which is 0.2968 kilojoules per kilogram. Step 6, we now find the initial mass. So we need to convert the temperature to absolute temperature because it's an ideal gas formula. So 18 plus 273 is 291 Kelvin. And now we just plug and play. Everything else is given in the question. So we get 69.58 kilograms for the initial mass. Step 7, find the final mass formula. So it's the same, but just different numbers. Step 8, find the final mass. So convert your temperature to Kelvin. So we just plug and play once again with the final temperature and the final temperature, the volume and gas constant are the same. So we get 46.75 kilograms. Step 9, we can now backtrack and find the change in mass. So initial minus final, we get 22.83 kilograms. And that is the amount of nitrogen released from the tank. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent program. Click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program, click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in the Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, see ya.